Hey, it's Millie with Crafting in My PJs. Welcome to my channel. I'm waiting for some glitter and glue to dry over in that area. So while we're doing that, I thought I'd do a recap of all of the resin products I have found at Dollar Tree. All right, so let's start with the biggie. This is, before we get started, please consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already a subscriber, and a like would be great too. All right, so there is the tumbler turner, which runs on batteries. You cannot plug in. I did a video on it, back around Christmas time. I am still seeing them in Dollar Trees. In fact, I'm seeing them again, though they are out there. Kind of mixed reviews. I had no problems with them. Other people had trouble with them working. They are slow, but it is turning, by the way. See, I know you can't see. But it worked. It's just a tad slower than the electric one my daughter-in-law lent me. And the pool noodle that's on it works great. And I just had to reinforce my attachments so that they didn't come off and my cups didn't slide off. But other than that, you can see I've used it. Look, there's resin down there. All right, so that is the tumbler turner. It's a winner. They also have, I only have the B left. I used up all of A. Why, I don't know, because it's 50-50, 1-to-1. Not sure how that happened. But anyway, Dollar Tree has the resin. I couldn't find it for a really long time, few months, couple months, and I had bought a good supply, and then I ran out, so I had to buy some from Amazon. Guess what? It's back in the store. In some stores, I'm seeing it. And if you aren't a regular viewer of this channel, I do have access to 6 stores, 7 really, all within a 10-minute driving distance from my house, maybe 20 minutes at tops. And then there's across the river too, so I could go over there, and I do. About once a month I travel across the river and make the rounds over there. Anyway, seeing them at 1 or 2 of the Dollar Trees, so it looks like they're coming back. So it's the resin, $5 for 3 ounces, so 6 total. The tumbler turner is $5. All of this stuff you're going to find on the Dollar Tree Plus aisle. It's going to be either $3 or $5. All right, very first thing we started to see were these metal flakes. $3 comes in the rose gold, the gold, and silver, or maybe you might call that a copper. That might be copper. Anyway, $3 for the whole container. I'm also seeing it in the little containers too, with maybe different colors, but I haven't purchased those. So metal flakes, all kinds of add-ins. Let me bring you closer. All kinds of add-ins that you could put in, like mica powders and glow-in-the-dark powders. So this one is the muted metallic pearl. Love the way that they're looking in the resin products, and I don't do a whole lot of resin. I'm not sure price-wise whether it'd be cheaper to get this somewhere in more, like a bigger quantity. Not sure. Vibrant pearl. So we had muted metallic pearl, vibrant pearl. Then there's a chameleon powder, and this at the moment is my favorite. I love the look of this iridescent powder in the resin. All right, and it has 6 different colors in there. Also some glitters, and this one is glow in the dark glitter. How you like that? Not sure how it looks. I haven't made anything with it yet, but it looked interesting. Also hexagon mixed glitter. So I have used this. It looks really pretty in the resin. Does a great job. Comes in this multi-pack. You get 9 in this multi-pack. Most of them are 6, but this one is 9. Here's the glow-in-the-dark powder, like a mica powder, glow-in-the-dark. I did some ghosts necklaces with these and came out adorable, and they do glow in the dark. Cute, cute, cute. Also, some fillers for, now this is obviously already opened. I'll show you. And there's 5, so there's probably one more that I missed. And this pack was like stars and moons, and I can't open the thing to see. I've seen them in silver, I've seen them in gold, and there might be a rose gold. So metal fillers look really pretty. They're double-sided, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about which way it looks. Like that's a star and a star. There's not a back or a front. I am so full of glitter. And so that's really kind of cool. The celestial one with the stars also came with this that to me looks like snowflakes almost. Planets. Another star like a shooting star, and is this the moon? Oh, that's the one I don't have in here. An open star. Sorry, that was really fast. Open star. The one I don't have in here, I think, is the star that I usually use when I do use them. All right, other fillers, which also could be used for card making if you use shakers. So mini beads in all kind of different colors, and there are 9 of those. These are fruit clay fillers. Again, they are 2-sided, so no matter which way you put them in, 6 of them, it will show. Oh, look, here's the other one. There it is, the moon. That's the one I always put in jewelry pieces when I'm making it, the resin. So there were 6 in those packs. Sorry about that. All right, crushed glass filler. And this, I think, was in a couple of different, like, color palettes. Really pretty. All right. Again, they have molds out, too. These are all of the molds I have seen. All right, first off is the heart mold. And I have used it, obviously. The heart, I have to clean some of this glitter out of there. They also have a hexagon and I think a circle. I saw a circle. All right, so it's like a coaster, but you could also use it as like a trinket tray. It comes out really cute. Let me see if I could get mine over here. There it is. There's my trinket tray. I use it as a trinket tray. And this is the Dollar Tree resin. It does cure very hard. It's really nice. You have a good 30-minute working time. It's perfect. All right, so this was the other thing, a bracelet, a cuff bracelet. Now, this is not my style, but I bought it to try it out, and it did come out really well. Oh, here it is right here. Here's the cuff bracelet. Again, though, it is, ow, I did not sand edges. I don't know how you're supposed to get it on. Maybe I just have fat wrists. I don't know. Cuff bracelet. All right. The other thing they have now is a closed bracelet silicone mold. So that's really cool too. And I mean, you could think of other ways you could use this circle in other designs and things. And then the other thing that I have seen, the other silicone mold, has been these 2 jewelry pieces. And I have used them. One is, I would say, has like a multi-size. They all have the little posts, so your hole's already there. Works beautifully. We make ghosts with them and jack-o'-lanterns, the last video I made using these. And then the second style that I've seen has been this larger pendant style. So I went ahead and I bought 2 of these because I thought that if I was going to make earrings, it would be this one, because it would be the smaller pieces that I would make, and I would want to make them symmetrical, and doing 2 runs might not, you know, waiting for one to dry, doing another one might not work. All right, so that's it. That's what I have seen as far as resin making products over at Dollar Tree. These are the items that are marketed for resin crafts. There are also silicone containers to stir things in. They also sell these little plastic cups to stir things in, the disposable kind. I find these to be pricey compared to other cups. In fact, now I prefer the silicone cups that I can clean. And they do in the craft aisle. This is in the craft, the Dollar Tree Plus aisle. In the craft aisle, they do have sticks and stirring containers too. So they don't necessarily have them with the resin products. All right, that's it. This is your overview of Dollar Tree's resin products, and I am not seeing them sell out, except for, like, I'm not seeing too many of these. I'm still seeing these. I'm still seeing the bracelet. I keep seeing different varieties of these, so it looks like it's something that they're going to keep adding to, but maybe they're going to come out with some different molds other than just these jewelry pieces. I don't know. All right, what do you see in your Dollar Trees? Do you have this same assortment? Do you have more items that I've missed, or do you have less items? Let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, thanks. See y'all later.